Ever wondered why students struggle with chemistry? Chemistry, the central science, bridges the gap between physics and biology. But for many, it's a bridge too difficult to cross. Today, we'll delve into the three major reasons why students often falter in this field, and more importantly, how to overcome these hurdles and master the subject. Firstly, chemistry is a subject that demands understanding, not just memorization. It's a common misconception that memorizing the periodic table or chemical reactions will lead to success. However, this is far from the truth. Chemistry is about understanding concepts and applying them. How can one solve this? By focusing on comprehension rather than memorization. Try to understand why certain reactions happen, why elements behave the way they do. This shift in study approach will make the subject more tangible, more logical, and ultimately easier to grasp. Secondly, chemistry is a language in itself. It comes with its own symbols, formulas, and equations, which can seem like an alien language to many. This can be a significant barrier to understanding the subject. So how can one overcome this? By taking the time to learn this language. Break down complex equations into simpler, more comprehensible parts. Start with basic formulas, and gradually move to more complex ones. Over time, this language will become second nature, making chemistry less daunting. Finally, many students fail to identify their optimal study time. Everyone's internal clock or circadian rhythm operates differently. Some people are more alert in the morning, others in the evening. Studying when the mind is most alert can drastically improve understanding and retention of complex chemistry concepts. To solve this, identify the time of day when concentration levels are at their peak and dedicate that to studying chemistry. In conclusion, the three main reasons students struggle with chemistry are a reliance on memorization rather than understanding, the difficulty of chemistry's unique language, and not identifying the best study time. However, these obstacles are not insurmountable. By shifting the focus from memorization to comprehension, taking the time to learn the language of chemistry, and identifying the optimal study time, chemistry can go from being a daunting subject to an enjoyable and rewarding one. Remember, chemistry is not about memorizing facts, but understanding the world at a molecular level. It's a challenging subject, but with the right approach, anyone can conquer it. So, whether you're a budding scientist or just someone trying to pass a class, keep these points in mind and watch as chemistry transforms from your worst nightmare to your best friend.